The Great Forest Adventure. One sunny morning, deep in the heart of the jungle, three friends decided to go on an adventure. Elephant, a wise and strong elephant, Monkey, a clever and playful primate, and Lion, the brave and noble king of the jungle, were excited to explore the forest together. As they strolled through the dense foliage, Monkey spotted something shiny up in a tree. "Look, Elephant and Lion. There's something sparkling up there," he chattered, pointing with his tiny finger. Elephant raised his trunk and reached for the shiny object. With a gentle pull, he brought down a beautiful golden necklace. "Wow! This is amazing!" exclaimed Elephant. Lion examined the necklace closely. "This must belong to someone. We should find its owner and return it," he suggested wisely. The trio continued their journey, asking every animal they met if they had lost a golden necklace. They asked Parrot, who squawked in surprise and said it wasn't his. They asked Deer, who shook her head gracefully, saying she had never seen it before. Finally, they reached the edge of the forest, where they found Tortoise, who was known for his wisdom. "Good day, Tortoise," said Elephant. "We found this necklace in the forest. Do you know who it belongs to?" Tortoise smiled slowly and said, "Ah, that necklace belongs to the Peacock Princess. She must have dropped it while dancing under the moonlight last night. Her palace is just beyond the river." Determined to return the necklace, Elephant, Monkey, and Lion crossed the river and made their way to the Peacock Princess's palace. When they arrived, the princess greeted them warmly. Her eyes widened with joy when she saw the necklace. "Oh, thank you so much. I was so sad when I lost it," she said gratefully. The princess invited them to stay for a grand feast to celebrate their kindness. They enjoyed delicious fruits and danced to the melodious tunes of the forest. As the sun began to set, the three friends started their journey back home, feeling happy and proud of their adventure. They had not only explored the forest but also made a new friend and helped someone in need. From that day on, Elephant, Monkey, and Lion were known as the heroes of the jungle, always ready for another adventure and always willing to help others. I hope you enjoyed the story.